We're on Reddit again. We have a frustrated business owner, and this guy wants to know, taking control of my Facebook ads. Where should I start learning? This guy probably he's sick and tired of agencies, and he just wants to learn how to run Facebook ads himself. Hey everyone, I'm a business owner looking to take control of my own Facebook advertising. I've been paying an agency a retainer, but I'm thinking of relocating that money to run ads myself and maximize my budget. I'm confident it's not as complicated as it sounds. I already have the media ready and I'm pretty good with computers. If you're good at computers, if you have the media ready, you'll be able to crush Facebook ads. Of course, it's not that simple, and I'm gonna share why. I'm gonna talk about the psychological aspect of media buying. A lot of people don't realize it, but media buying today is a lot like trading, like day trading. Day trading, what do you do on day trading? You buy a stock and then you sell the stock for a profit. The same happens with Facebook ads. You spend money on Facebook ads and you hope people see your ads, buy your products, and you have a return on investment. When dealing with money, people are not that good. I want to make this clear. Not everybody can make a good media buyer. That's why Facebook ads media buying is highly paid job. That's why people are hiring agencies. However, can you learn Facebook ads on your own? I believe it's a very, very good thing you could do. I believe if you're a business owner, you could hire an agency, you could hire a freelancer. But what I believe you should do would be to learn how to troubleshoot your ads yourself. So whenever you open your Facebook Business Manager, you should be able to pinpoint what's working and what's not working, and you should know what to fix it. You should know to identify where's the problem, and you should know how to fix this problem. Because I know it sounds simple, but actually, when you start doing it, there are a lot of little things. Where's the best place to start learning? Does Facebook offer any courses, and are they worth it? Or would it be better and faster to invest in a company that can teach me directly? Any advice or recommendation would be really appreciated. Thanks. Okay, so this guy wants to learn Facebook ads. This guy is a business owner. Probably he would have some basic idea of how digital marketing works. This guy says, first of all, yes, it's not complicated as it sounds. You can definitely learn that on your own. If you have the money, I would suggest investing in a company or a freelancer that will coach you over a period of time. Beware of scammers and people who have no idea. And this guy actually gives a very reasonable advice. Facebook ads is not as complicated, and it also depends the scale on which you would like to do Facebook ads. If you want to scale campaigns to 40K per day on ads, it's not that easy. If you just want to get a few clients, if you're looking to spend a few $1,000s, you don't need an agency, you don't need to hire a freelancer right now with like the optimized campaigns. You can do it yourself. To do ads yourself, I, I advise you to have a proof of concept, right? Proof of concept. You need to be sure that the product you're using is working on ads. You need to be sure that you have a good offer and you have good profit margins. And this is the advice I would give. The advice I would give, I would go on like Upwork and hire somebody to coach him. I would try to find somebody who has experience. This guy says Meta has a free ton of resources. I also like Charlie the Disruptor on YouTube. Ben Heat is good too. Both have slightly different approaches. I've watched Ben Heat. I've never watched Charlie the Disruptor. You can watch Niko Velikov. I think he's the best YouTuber on Facebook yet because it's like real people. So if you go on YouTube and if you type Niko Velikov, you're gonna see, oh yeah, this is the guy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure you follow me because I do breakdown videos. I do real stuff, real Facebook ad stuff. Let's let's get back to the subreddit. Um, Check the meta blueprint. I never liked the meta blueprint. There are some traps and pitfalls. Things aren't always as simple as they seem. AI changes of late have added to the complexity. Be aware of awareness and traffic ads, possibly sending your ads. This will destroy your algorithms. Find someone very experienced with a history of making great sales who is also still making money with their ads since the AI changes in February and ask them to teach you. A lot of YouTube tutorials are rubbish. I agree. I agree that some of the YouTube tutorials you see are just like, I'm just gonna give you the tutorial. There is a guy who is doing the tutorial, and this guy is saying, today I'm gonna teach you how you can get amazing results with Facebook ads. Click here, do that. But of course, it's not that simple. When you do it yourself, things are not working, and you end up spending a lot more on ads. So when you watch a tutorial on YouTube, keep in mind that the people like me, I don't consider myself a YouTube guru yet. However, some people will just be making the video to get the views, to get the clicks, to get the AdSense money. So be aware of that. I wouldn't go to online courses. If you have the money, if you have the budget to invest, here's what I do. Number one, I would go on Upwork and hire a consultant, right? And number two, I would start running ads immediately. I would start running ads immediately. So maybe the first thing I would do would be to start running ads and then hire an Upwork because you learn the most by doing. And you're gonna learn how to do it for your business, for your specific situation. I also offer coaching and consulting services. I also sell online courses. So if you wanna help me support my channel, check out the links in the description below. This is the video for today. This is how you should be learning Facebook ads if you're just starting out. This guy is not starting out. This guy is already a business owner, so he started back in the day. So he's not a beginner. For not a beginner, that's the way you should do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.